Bank. Banks are the financial institutions that act as a intermediary between the borrower and the savers. Okay, you can say between buyer and the seller. It is the money we save at banks that is lent out as a loan to the other individual and the businesses. Let's talk about some commercial banks. We have a different kind of a banks. So here we will discuss about commercial banks. Commercial banks are those banks that have a many retail branches located in the most of the city and the towns. Okay, like if we talk about the Pakistan, we have HBL, Bank Alfla, MCB, okay, Mizan Bank. But there is a bank who you can consider them as a father of all banks, and this is known as state bank or the central banks. That government or that governs all other commercial banks in a country. Okay, for example, State Bank of Pakistan, they have a right or they have a responsibility to control all the banking sector in the Pakistan. Okay, let's talk about the functions of the commercial bank first, then we will discuss the functions of the state bank. The first, accepting the deposit in the form of saving, as you said earlier. Aid customer in making and receiving the payments via their bank accounts. Got that? Give loans to the business and the private individual. Got that? Buying and selling share on customer behalf. Like if you want to buy some kind of a shares from stock exchange or the shares of the company, they can buy it for you. Okay. Provide insurance, for example, protection in the form of money against the damage, theft, or the personal property. Okay. These are some functions of the commercial banks. If we talk about more, exchange foreign currency, provide financial planning advice. These were some the function of the commercial bank. Let's talk about the function of central bank. It issues notes and the coins of the national currency. Very easy. It manages all the payments relating to the government. It manages national debt. Central banks can issue and repay public debts on the government behalf. It supervises and controls all other banks in the whole economy, even holding their deposit and transferring funds between them. It is a lender of the last resort to the commercial banks. When other banks are having a financial difficulties, the central bank can lend them money to prevent them from going bankrupt. It manages the country gold and the foreign currency reserves. These reserves are used to make international payment and adjust their currency value, adjust the exchange rate. It operates the monetary policy in an economy. You know what is monetary policy? Monetary policy is the government earning or the government spending. You can say government income and the spending, okay, of a state known as monetary policy.